Far away, in a magical forest filled with glowing trees and vibrant rainbows, lived a group of enchanted unicorns, their horns shimmering like the morning sun. Among them there lived a young girl named Zainab, surrounded by mystery. She wore an elegant Islamic royal dress that highlighted her regal grace. Around her neck hung a star-shaped locket, her only clue to a hidden past. Zainab had been raised by the unicorns since she was a child. They taught her about kindness, courage, and the magical secrets of the forest. Though she loved her home and the unicorns, she often felt an ache in her heart. Who am I? She would wonder, staring at her locket that sometimes glimmered with an unspoken magic. The unicorns assured her that she was special, but they never revealed the truth about her origins. One night, Zainab had a vivid dream. She saw a grand castle crumbling under dark clouds. From the tallest tower, a shadowy woman's voice echoed, "Zainab, you're our last hope." She awoke, her heart pounding, and rushed to the unicorns for answers. Finally, the unicorns told her the truth. Zainab was a lost princess. Her parents, King Jalal and Queen Maryam, were overthrown and killed by a wicked sorceress named Layla. To save her, the unicorns had whisked her away from the castle. Since then, Layla had ruled the kingdom with cruelty and dark magic. Determined to reclaim her kingdom, Zainab decided to face Layla. The unicorns gifted her a magical dagger, enchanted to work only with truth and bravery. They told her, "Your locket will guide you when the time comes." With the unicorns by her side, Zainab began her journey toward the castle. The castle loomed on the horizon, its dark towers piercing the stormy sky. Zainab approached its massive black gate, covered in glowing red runes. A cold wind blew, carrying whispers of unseen spirits. As she stepped inside, the gates slammed shut behind her. The air felt heavy, the walls shimmered with strange magical symbols, and faint whispers echoed in the dark halls. In the first chamber, Zainab encountered a glowing wall covered in magical riddles. The symbols shifted and danced, forming an unsolvable puzzle. Holding her locket, she whispered a prayer. Suddenly, the locket glowed, revealing hidden patterns on the wall. She solved the puzzle, and the wall dissolved into golden light, revealing a path forward. Shadow Warriors. As Zainab moved deeper into the castle, shadow warriors emerged from the walls, their glowing red eyes and smoky armor terrifying. With her magical dagger, she fought courageously. Each swing of the dagger lit up the dark hall, dispelling the shadows. The unicorns joined her, their horns blazing as they created a protective shield around her. The sorceress's throne room. Finally, Zainab entered a vast hall where Layla sat on a twisted black throne, her smoky aura spreading like poison. The sorceress had snake-like hair and cold, calculating eyes. "Welcome, princess," Layla sneered. "You've made it this far, but you'll never defeat me." Zainab stood tall, gripping her dagger. "You've stolen my kingdom, but truth and justice will always prevail." The magical battle. Layla unleashed a storm of dark magic, surrounding Zainab in a swirling mist. Zainab's vision blurred, but she held her locket close, whispering another prayer. The locket shone brightly, cutting through the mist. The two clashed in a battle of magic and will. Layla's staff shot bolts of dark energy, while Zainab's dagger deflected them with radiant light. Their powers collided, shaking the castle walls. The sorceress's past revealed. As their battle intensified, Zainab's locket began to glow brighter. Suddenly, it projected a vision of Layla's past. She had once been a kind sorceress who protected the land. But her greed for power had corrupted her heart. Seeing this, Zainab spoke with compassion. "Layla, you were not always like this. There is still goodness within you. Let go of your hatred and help me restore this kingdom." Layla hesitated, her staff trembling. For the first time, tears welled in her eyes. "You're right," she admitted. "I've let darkness consume me, but it's not too late." Restoring the kingdom. Layla destroyed her staff, breaking the dark magic that had enslaved the kingdom. The castle brightened as sunlight poured in, and the freed soldiers of the kingdom knelt before Zainab, pledging their loyalty. The unicorns helped cleanse the castle of its remaining darkness, and the land began to bloom again. A new beginning. With justice restored, Zainab took her place as queen. Her Islamic royal dress now shone brighter than ever, symbolizing her courage and faith. She ruled with wisdom and compassion, ensuring her kingdom thrived in peace. Though she became a queen, Zainab never forgot the unicorns who had raised her or the lessons of kindness and bravery they had taught her.